Well, I was listening to my grandfather of Blanasi and also Junkai. They said that, you know, like um, yeah, it's good, but because it's not ceremony, this didgeridoo, you know, it's on the outside, you know, it's belong to company, it's belong to women and men, right? Because it's not really sacred. But the other people, I heard about this story. The other people don't like it, Balanda. Don't like Balanda used like playing mago, you know, because some old people, you know, I was listening. And sometimes when I always go somewhere in non-Peli or somewhere else, they listen when they talk. We don't believe white people. White people got no culture, you know. We've got more culture. We teach them. They can teach us play band or something, you know.